You're a guest. Oh, dude, sorry, dude. I can't believe it. No, you're going to.
Chris, come here.
Guys, I will cast intimidating.
Yo, look at that picture. Chris.
That is fresh. That's some Super Saiyan hair right there, man. That's some
Cosplay. Oh, Dungeons and Dragons Player Handbook 2. Winning.
I call this a comic store. Welcome to the comic store.
Oh my god.
Get a little zoom in there.
How much is that?
About like $200.
Yo guys, pool our money together. We can have the best nerdgasm ever.
Can you be that guy? Wait, do you face her?
No.
No, you don't. You don't face her.
No. Was she in Black Fathom Deeps?
I don't know.
Yeah, you can face that guy now,
This is
okay?
one video. This is one on
You can face
Facebook.
him for a while. You know, guys, I tried to solo him, but that didn't work out too well. So I had some red pally back up in my shadow piece, so we managed to DPS him pretty quick. But you know, the power word shield worked out not too well.
Look at this. Don't touch it, man.
Don't touch it. Oh, I think they're texting me.
God of War Blade of Chaos. 200.
If I buy this, well,
Yeah, they always like humble. Sometimes they're bad. Sometimes they make a bad humble.
For the Alliance. Yo, for my birthday, buy me some of this stuff, okay?
do you have any cabbage for
No
the
lie.
build
Birthday, buy me some of this shit. Transformers is swag.
Yo, guys, I feel like I'm gonna
Yo, look at this.
We're all like, nerd rush. You play
Dude,
a
these
lot
games
of
cost.
stuff.
Some of these stuff costs more than Black Ops.
I know.
Oh god, say that you play the horde, then all the guys will come. Yo guys, we have to pool our money together.
Yeah, look at that.
No. I want this one. I want this. I want these two.
I like the one on the right one.
Or Megatron. I need a Megatron one.
That one looks better than that one. That one.
This one? These two. Yeah. $1?
$1 for yellow highlights.
Shut up. Megatron!
Rob does that.
Guys, this is one video.
Oh,
Orgasmic.
Wait,
guys.
113.
2 minutes of video in there.
It's Catapulser.
Real life, pretty much.
This is the Catapulser.
Yo,
Oh my god. I need to get the Catapulser.
I just spent my last $30 on a subscription card.
Oh my god.
Oh, this is fucking creepy. Holy shit, I'm buying this. Say word.
holy shit.
Yeah, man, go up
Look
to
at
them.
that. Look at that. Look at that.
Yo, I'm buying this.
Oh, that.
I know. I'm buying this. I'm actually buying
Yo,
this.
go up to them and then goes, Frank.
Ew.
Okay.
No, I'm actually buying this, huh?
Really?
Yeah, go look at it.
That's like you are.
What would your guitar hear the game on this handheld?
Yeah, you guys don't sell condoms here by any chance, do you?
The Joker! Oh god! Oh my god!
I dare you to ask that, Chris.
I'll give you money.
How much?
I'll give you $5
No,
on Monday.
give $5 right now.
On Monday, yeah.
But buy me Cinnabon now, bro.
Wait, not yet.
But buy me Cinnabon, I'll ask.
What?
Buy me Cinnabon, I'll
Yeah, okay.
ask.
We're leaving Kissy
You can afford it.
Okay.
I want pizza.
No, we can afford it though.
I want pizza for one for one.
Oh shit, it already happened.
Fucking fags, free comic.
It's hilarious.
You guys can borrow my DC afterwards.
Yeah. How you buy me Cinnabon? Mass Effect, the cartoon! Mass Effect!
Oh, what the fuck? Oh, isn't he dead?
Hey,
Huh?
belt buckles.
Oh, BS.
Oh my god. Can I get a mana symbol?
Oh wow. I don't really like these.
Josh already has those.
The only one to buy here would be the
Get in the back.
Where's Dark Magician?
You can get the ring.
Look at this man, Watchman statues.
So guys, are we gonna go on after?
Oh
Yeah, after a new
yeah. No, I'll ask you about me.
That guy's actually fucking boss.
Deadpool?
Yeah.
Amazing. I need a new backpack.
No.
Oh, is that a mask? No.
Guess let's go. Let's do it.
Okay.
I'm not playing. This haven't been.
Sad face.
They have t-shirts? Yeah.
Yeah, I suppose. Oh, I want that Joker t-shirt.
Sell it all. Sell food cards. I went off to play for Sunday.
Yeah, I'm not sure about Sunday yet.
Oh, guys, look, he's in battle stance.
No, I actually want this friggin' Rorschach doll.
The comedians are actually
It's expensive though. It's expensive.
Rorschach is.
The blue guy, I forget his name. It's like Mr.
Watchmen's like they're like
Stockton,
superheroes.
Manhattan. Stockton, Manhattan.
That guy's boss.
No. It's all about comedian. Comedian's hilarious.
Comedian dies at the
But yeah,
beginning.
that
Yeah.
Deadpool guy, I actually
I know. I always use him.
read.
Someone text me.